The price of lumber is down 50% from its all-time high back in May. Have we seen the end of this building material price surge? I'll be honest and say I hope not, because I was the stupid one that bought 54 sheets of half-inch plywood to replace a roof. Although, like some of us, I didn't have much of a choice when I had water coming down and damaging my new cabin floors. Seriously though, the price per 1,000 board feet of wholesale lumber has been plummeting over the past couple months. So when will you see that coming back to you in the big box stores? Just as a test, because I want to see this information firsthand, comment down below what state you're in and if you've seen a price drop. Okay, so real quick, let's review what happened in the lumber market. There was a perfect storm of sawmills cutting production and unloading all of their inventory in fear of an upcoming housing crash. With the idea of a lot of people dying and losing their jobs, there was an expectation that there'd be a lot of available homes on the market, as morbid as that may sound. Well, as you know, the housing crash didn't happen. In fact, it got amazingly better. On top of that, everybody who was staying at home started going to home improvement stores and tackling some of the DIY projects around their house. On top of that, the interest rates started dropping, and so people had more purchasing power. On top of that, millennials are now hitting their peak house buying years and soaked up the remaining houses on the market, so a lot of people went to new construction homes. New homes required a lot of lumber and mills couldn't keep up. That was a quick run through of how things were. According to Fortune.com, which states their references for where they got their statistics, says the run on lumber appears to be over as prices continue to fall. Last week, the cash price fell $160 to $770 per 1,000 board feet of lumber. That's down 49% from its $1,515 all-time high on May 28th. Now keep in mind that a 49% drop from the peak sounds really great, but that is still so far off from the pre-pandemic numbers. A peak is just one point in time, and just imagine, actually let me pull this graph up. The prices are high for over a year here, but for like 1 or 2 months, it shoots way up here to $1,500. So really, even though we're 50% down from the peak, we're still up here in these high numbers. But with the home builders and the DIYers starting to back off on all their projects because of these soaring prices, in combination with the sawmills increasing their production and capitalizing on these higher costs, the shortage is getting a little better. Plus, sawmills are getting more labor, with people slowly going back to work. Are sawmill workers considered lumberjacks, or are lumberjacks strictly bearded dudes dressed in plaid with axes? Well, the expectations are that we are getting to an established level where the prices are tolerable. As a result, people who have been sitting back and waiting on the sidelines are now ready to start jumping back in. This most likely won't cause any major spikes, but more shore up that level and really stabilize it at a tolerable level. Overall, the prices will remain higher than they were pre-pandemic, of course, but there probably won't be this high volatility where the sharp prices go up and down. The article then continues. As wholesale lumber prices fall, big box retailers will eventually mark down wood products. However, each dip on the wholesale side could take weeks, if not months, to be reflected in store aisles. This just means that the big box stores are lagging indicators of these price drops. The big box stores are the last ones in line to get those price drops, so in turn, you, the buyer, are really the last ones to see those price drops. Wholesalers, builders, and other segments will see those prices first. Outside of lumber, other commodities like oil will remain in turmoil as demand increases, with travel growing and political moves. So while the lumber bubble may be bursting soon, that may not be the case with most of these other commodities in the construction world, as the prices continue to skyrocket there. Oil is in many building materials, so keep in mind that the subject of this whole video is really strictly around lumber. Look y'all, if y'all are ready to start tackling some of those DIY projects you've been holding off on, it may be a good time to start planning some of those and maybe shopping around for these materials. Just know that no matter what, if you buy right now and prices go up, you're still doing better and winning over some of the other people who bought in May. A win is a win. If you need project ideas, head over to my channel. I have about 100 different videos with cool, unique DIY projects and remodeling projects. Subscribe by hitting that big red button down below. Smash the like button as a free way for you to show your support for this channel. And I really hope you're excited about this great news and you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one.